here is, I think, kind of one of the most exciting things at your booth, or at least it's really capturing a lot of attention here at the Automate show this year. What exactly is this robot doing here?
Yeah, so for us it's very important that everyone finds their own way in interacting with the robot. Of course, if you want to program, you program. If you want to use the teach panel, you do so. But you can also talk with the robot. You can show the robot something, you can guide the robot, but talking sometimes is very good. Yeah? So that's why we show here that you can interact with the robot. You can tell the robot what you want, and in the back it will write its own program to do so.
Wow. So this has like an onboard built-in speaker.
Yes.
And a microphone,
yeah.
So it can hear you and then reconfirm with you what it's going to do.
It will always reconfirm because it's moving, and at the same time it's learning also if it really understands well. Should we try it?
Let's do it.
Hey Myra.
Hi, what can I do for you?
Pick an object.
Pick which object?
Any object.
Do you mean pick any object?
Yes.
I pick any object.
So we have given the robot earlier a workspace.
Yep.
Yeah. So it now looks, it is already in the best position to look at it. Otherwise it would now go up and look.
Yep.
And it identifies the objects. What we can see in the tablet, I just talk about it.
Sure.
You can see how the robot very quickly scanned what's happening.
Yep.
It won't scan until it has a perfect resolution. It will scan until it understands what's on the table. So as quick as possible. Yeah. And then it will go. And I told him to pick anything. So it finds, of course, the squared object, which is the nicest to pick. Yeah. And it will pick it. And now it will bring it to me. Yeah. I think if I'm nice, I think it will bring it to me. Yeah. And then I want it. Thanks. Yeah. So that's how you do it. Yeah.
Awesome.
Thanks, Myra.
So, yeah, thank you. So, can you tell it to pick like a specific thing, like the mouse, and will it do it?
It always depends, yeah. It will come with a common sense, so it will always pick such an object in such a way, never in such a way like we would. Yeah?
Yep.
But for that to do, it doesn't need to know this is a blue block. Yeah?
Gotcha.
For the mouse to pick, it doesn't need to know that it's a mouse. It will just find the best way.
Gotcha.
But if you as a company need to pick your own object, of course you can do it by not knowing the object, it will find a way. But if you tell the robot what the objects are, you can also give it a name and so on. Yeah?
Okay.
And then you can also tell, so one of the applications is also tell the robot, I want this object always picked like this. Yeah? So you can always optimize and give the robot more information, and then it will use that information.
Gotcha.
But you don't need to. So in this case, I said any. I could have also tried some other things, but I won't just pick something.
Can I try it?
You can try.
Okay. Myra?
Myra? Say hey and then her name.
Okay. Hey, Myra.
Bit shy with other people. Try again.
Hey, Myra.
Hi, what can I do for you?
Pick something.
So I will try it again, and then you say stop. So this robot is not connected to the cloud. So in comparison to Siri and Alexa, it will not do a lot of things, but the things it will do very precise. So you will say pick an object, yeah? And then when she asks, I ask you to say any object, and then she will ask you to reconfirm, and then you say yes.
Okay.
Yeah?
Hey, Myra.
Hi, what can I do for you?
Pick an object.
Pick which object?
Any object.
Do you mean pick any object?
Yes.
I pick any object.
So again, it will look at stuff. Yeah? You will see in the tablet in a moment.
Yeah.
Now the box.
Yeah, and also you guys can't see at the moment, but there's a very nice looking 3D simulation of the environment that it sees on the Teach Pendant right now.
And no surprises. It will find again the easiest object to pick.
So if we tell it any object, it'll always just pick the most simple object.
Oh, we can take that out and try again without it.
Okay.
I don't know how much time you view.
Let's do it.
Okay. Atma will do it again without, so I put him a bit closer. Yeah. So maybe also you can hold this a bit closer. I don't know if that makes sense. Yeah. Afterwards. Yeah. Okay. Then just leave it afterwards, so you can hold it. Yeah. Yeah. Hold it. You can see it. Yeah. So this is the robot, as you can see here. This is our interface, and you can always also do simulation first and then real. But now we talk to the robot, so just give it to him. I think it's better. And then we talk to the robot.
Let me show you. Yes.
Yeah.
Hey, Myra.
Hi, what can I do for you?
Pick an object.
Pick which object?
Any object.
Do you mean pick any
Yes.
Unpick any object.
So again, now it understood the command. In the background, it will write its own program. You can actually see on the left side the commands that come up. We'll look at stuff, yeah.
It actually generated like a point cloud. There's just like 1 point for like the vision position, and now it's going to its next, I'll say, above position right now.
Like it.
Okay. It's probably gonna come up and take another vision snap.
Yes. We should try that again. Let's just try that again. Because, yeah, you just could not find a safe way to pick that object. No?
Okay.
Yeah, we can try that again.
So it looked at the object, it was not sure what to do with it, so it would rather try it again. Yeah.
Okay. Hey Myra,
Hi, what can I do for you?
pick an object.
Pick which object?
Any object.
Do you mean pick any object?
Yes.
I pick any object.
So right now there's like a point cloud.
So as you can see also, it's quite a loud environment. The robot doesn't really mind because the AI behind that understands that you're talking to the robot. So it will make sure that all the other noise are not so interesting.
Gotcha.
It's a big point because these robots are not connected to the cloud, so it needs to be careful what kind of data it analyzes. So it will focus on the task and throw away all the other data. Yeah? So now decided for the mouse.
All right, it's picking the mouse. And I can see that it created a pick position at the mouse on the teach pendant. So it has a 3D virtual world that it's operating in, and I can see it's right there's the drop position. And so now it's going back up to like the camera position.
Yeah, so this is the voice pick of the Myra.
Awesome. Definitely an exciting product. I think that especially with like even more development and like how you were saying before with the app store and stuff, like people are going to be able to develop on these like much further into the future, and they're going to be able to do all kinds of super awesome and unique things.
Yeah, I'm glad you like it. Thank you for spending some time here.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you for being able to share with our audience and with the entire manufacturing and automation industry. I really appreciate your time.
Yeah, sounds good. Thank you very much.